I, Rita Jain, is going to tell you something about the magnet. Magnet is a substance which is capable of attracting small pieces of iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. Properties of magnet. Magnet has two poles. One is the north and the other is the south. What will happen if we divide the magnet in two parts? Let us see how. I had divided the magnet in two parts. When we bring it near it, it attracts. When we bring it again, it repels. It means in many parts, if we divide the magnet, then it behaves the separate magnet. Every magnet has two poles, north and south. Another property, magnetic compass. Magnetic compass is a tiny pivoted magnet, usually in the form of a pointer, which can turn freely in the horizontal plane. The outer boundary, जिसकी outer boundary होती है, that is of made up of non-magnetic material. This is a needle. This behaves as north and this behaves as south. In some needle, you will find in this form. This is north, this is south. ये head part है, ये tail part. Tiny magnet is also known as the magnetic needle. The ends of the compass needle point approximately towards the north and the south direction. When we bring a magnet near the magnetic compass, see what happens. The magnetic needle get deflected. The magnetic needle get deflected again and again. If we are changing the polarity, then it again changes the direction. What does it mean? It means a compass consists of a tiny pivoted magnet, usually in the form of a pointer, which can turn freely in the horizontal plane. Now, when we suspend the magnet freely, it always points in the north-south direction. Why it always suspended in the north direction? We know that our earth is tilted at an angle of 23 degree, and when we suspend the magnet, the north should be towards the south and south towards the north, but this doesn't happen. It always point in the north south direction. Why it always point in the north south direction? Because our earth has a huge magnet inside it, and the geographic north behaves as a south magnetic pole, and the south geographic pole behaves as a north magnetic pole. The south pole is in the geographical north because it attracts the north pole, and the north pole is in the geographical south because it attracts the south pole. That's why the freely suspended magnet always point in the north south direction. Another property, when we bring a magnet near the all pin, see what happened. At the center part, it is not getting attracted, but when we bring the pole near it, it get attracted. It means the maximum attraction is at the poles. Another property, when we bring opposite poles, it attracts, called attractive forces. When we bring same poles, then it moves away. This is called the repulsive force. This is called the repulsive force. We conclude a magnet has two poles, north and south. Like poles repel each other. Unlike poles attract each other. A freely suspended magnet always points in north-south direction. If you like this video, please subscribe it and press a bell icon.